So you just received a cryptic email from Matilda, the nice lady who runs the bookstore at Morehead State, letting you know that the Eagles have made it into the playoffs. The kids are buying those t-shirts she ordered last January like hotcakes, and the RTC is selling well too, and she's about to run out. Could you please replenish her supply as quickly as possible? And how on earth do you find those two separate items that she ordered months and months ago? Well, you could click through your list trying to find that black t-shirt with art on both front and back, or the RTC that had a royal t-shirt and a black cap, but that'll take you forever. Instead, what you really want to do is simply create a new header. It's empty of garments at the moment, but it won't be for long, because what we're going to do is go to the copy button and then copy from another order. And I hear experienced Exapta users out there saying, well, that's the same thing as going to functions and customer service lookup. And yes, you can still do that. But Queen Axe, logical lady that she is, decided to group all of the copy functions under one heading. I'm going to encourage you to click on Copy from Other Order, which does open up Customer Service Lookup, filtered to nothing but orders for account 110174, as you can see in the Advanced Filter Options window, or as you look at the list of orders line by line by line. Every order ever placed for Morehead State is now here. But by the way, if for some reason you didn't want to order strictly for Morehead State, but instead you wanted to order something that was selling really well at another school, and you know you could sell it well here, you just want to change the name drop, you can copy from a different account. Simply click on the Clear Filters button, and now as you look at this list, it's not just Morehead State. Notice those numbers are changing. It's every other order you've ever placed, line by line by line. Notice how fast that happened, how easy it would be to do, but it's not what I'm going to do right now. We have to deal with Matilda at Morehead State. So I'm putting that account back in place. I could have searched for it and typed it in there as well. I touch Enter, and now my list is filtered once again to nothing but orders for Morehead State. Now the first thing she mentioned was that RTC with the royal shirt. I see it right there. A bundled product with a royal shirt and a black cap. And I recognize those designs. Yep, that's what she ordered back in July. That's what she wants to replace right now. So I'm going to click on Copy that line into the current order. I hear experienced users saying, but you can't copy a bundled product. Yes, you can. It automatically sees that as a 29100. I click on OK. That bundled product is in place just that fast. But that's not the only thing that Matilda wants. She wants that black shirt with art front and back. So I go right back to CSL again. I'm still filtered, and this time I'm looking for black t-shirts, the 20,000. Well, I see a black right here. Why don't I just right click on the BK and then filter by selection? Sure enough, I've got nothing but black in my column now, but I'm seeing lots of other garments besides the 20,000. How about if I right click on the 20,000, filter by selection, but that didn't give me what I wanted. I've now got all the 20,000s, but in every color under the sun, not just the black. But here's how I can get both of them at once. The new functionality in AX09 allows you to do something called Filter by Grid. This button in the upper left-hand area looks like a martini glass, has a piece of paper icon in the lower right-hand corner. If I click on that, it adds search functionality to the top of every column. Notice it's already got 20,000 in the item number. It's already got 110174 in the invoice account. All I want to do is click right here in the color field and type in BK for black and touch Enter. I've now sorted my list down to nothing but 20,000 t-shirts in black. And sure enough, the one here at the top of the list was ordered back in January. I click on it. Does it have art both front and back? Let's see. The Morehead M is in chest center, and then the other art is 224288, the Moorhead State Eagle in full color, and my, isn't he a happy-looking fellow. Reminds me of John Boris, hunched over his computer staring at a spreadsheet. Well, let's get his scary face off the screen as fast as possible. I'll click on Copy Line into the current order. Do I want to keep those production colors? You betcha. I click on Yes, because I'm about to reorder a 20,000 in black. I click on OK. That order has now been added to my new order as well. I have an RTC, and I have a t-shirt in black. I'm ready to end this order and get it out the door to Matilda.